Not a lot of glue, very little bond, and it's not a very good. Oh my gosh, the whole seat wall is that's really dangerous. A very inexpensive bond, and they didn't use very much bond either. Can you imagine if somebody was sitting on that seat wall and fell back? That's unbelievable. That is unbelievable that bond is that cheap. Normally you need a hammer and chisel to separate anything that we bond, and what you end up with is literally ripping the mortar out of the block itself. Well, it's pretty obvious why this has to be completely disassembled and reassembled with a higher strength, higher quality bond.